Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Honda Accord trunk from inside, easy method. Reach down to the driver's side floor and find the small trunk release lever. Grip it with your fingers and pull straight toward you until the latch clicks and the trunk pops open. If the lever resists, apply steady pressure while wiggling slightly to free any stiffness. Always check for obstructions before fully opening the trunk. If the floor lever is missing or hard to reach, try other simple options. Look in the glove box and center console for a dedicated trunk release button you can press. Your key fob also usually has a trunk button that unlocks and opens the trunk remotely. In urgent situations, fold down the rear seat to reach the trunk release from inside the cabin, keeping safety and care in mind while you work. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful car guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up after projects a breeze, and it pairs nicely with hands-free routines. I mention it here because a clean garage or trunk makes repairs easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When the lever won't budge, a few gentle fixes often help without tools. Apply a short burst of silicone lubricant to the pivot and linkage to reduce friction and free movement. Peek under the dash to inspect the release cable for frays or detachment that block operation. If the cable is damaged or you can't locate the problem, it's wise to visit a mechanic to prevent causing more harm while trying repairs yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.